Introduce highlight features and overview summary of VACPOWER Handheld Vacuum. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. This cordless rechargeable hand vacuum is lightweight and portable to help you clean everywhere easily without bulky and tangled cords. It features a stainless steel HEPA filter which is exquisite workmanship with long durability and can be washed to clean dirties. With 3 different types of attachments, this portable hand vacuum cordless frees your movement to thoroughly clean the dust of sofa, kitchen, stairs, car, and other hard-to-reach areas. One cleaner meets all satisfactions of your home and car cleaning. With 2500 mAh high-capacity lithium batteries, this handheld cordless rechargeable vacuum can be fully charged in 3 to 4 hours with working time up to 30 minutes. At the same time, this hand vacuum goes with a large capacity dust collection cup to meet the need for deep cleaning dirty needs from your kitchen, living room to the bedroom. VACPOWER Handheld Cordless Vacuum uses a 65 watts high-power motor with suction above 6,500 PA. In addition to sucking out daily pet hair, cat litter, paper debris, and crumbs. Aiming to provide an all-around protection for all the corners of your home and car. Besides, click one button, you can pour out all the dust easily. The LED light is great for cleaning dark corners at night. Besides, the temperature protection, input voltage protection, input current protection, and short circuit protection better ensure the equipment safety throughout the charging process. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.